What's going on, you guys? Working on my Troy Bilt. This is a 2003 46-inch Troy Bilt garden tractor. It has the Intek 21 horse V-twin engine. Alright, there's a middle pulley. If you look underneath here, you can see where my air ratchet is right there. That is a center pulley, basically. See if I can get a plenty good look at it there. That pulley, I was trying to swap it out, because it's worn out. The bearings are worn out in it. And was just having difficulty removing that bolt that goes up through the center of it. I didn't look at everything thoroughly. I was just saying, well, I'll just remove this and it'll pop right off. Not necessarily. You have to take your side panel off here. Look down in there. Right behind that cluster of wires is the nut. It's a self-locking nut there. Then you got to put a wrench on it somehow. It's kind of tucked in there if you're not trying to disassemble the whole freaking lawnmower just to get to it. What I did, I just used the open-end wrench. And then there's a hole already in the bottom of this deck here. I just put a little screwdriver in it to keep the wrench from spinning. And I believe it's a 9/16. Yeah, it's a 9/16. Both of them are top and bottom. But it's easiest if you can get to this. If you're not trying to take the deck off down here either. You're not trying to make a whole day of this project. So if you have an air ratchet like this, it's got a very shallow profile. It makes it easy to get to it. And I'll show you what it looks like here. Hold on one second. Okay, if you can see the nut there that the wrench is sitting on. Because, there's not much room in there to try to put your hands in there and whatnot. But now, if you access your air ratchet, just like that, the nut is off. And here's underneath that we're working on here. It's, there's not much clearance under there if you're trying to leave the deck on and just knock it out rather quickly, which of course we all are. Otherwise, you'd have to remove this the main deck down here so you can have more space to work with. But if you have a shallow air ratchet like this, makes it real easy, to remove that bolt. And then it should be self-explanatory as far as, swapping out the pulley under there. And then just reverse the method to put it back in. But, there's just not much room back in there, so I just put a little wrench on that and then held it still with a little bitty screwdriver. See it right there, because there's already a hole down in there. Very easy to get it, to get the bolt out of there. Anywho, there you go. Troy Bilt tractor, 2003 model, 46-inch. I'm sure there's others, that fall under this same category through the MTD brand, like your Cub Cadet, Yardman, Yard Machines. There's several other brands that use this same design. But if you have one of these tractors and if you're looking to do other repairs, check out my other videos. I've been doing all kinds of services and maintenance and repairs and whatnot over the past couple of years that I've had this thing, and it runs really freaking good. So very pleased with it. But there you go. Subscribe, like, follow, share, blah, blah, blah. Y'all have a great day. See ya.